Seatbelts, you protect people from getting hurt or killed. You must wear a seatbelt when you play inside a car. Everyone inside car, including you the driver, and all them other people, you must wear it or put your seatbelt on proper, no loose. The law is the driver must look to make sure that everyone you wear a seatbelt. When you drive a car and somebody is up inside and then play piget but put his seatbelts on. Tell a Dempler must put his seatbelts on to avoid getting hurt or killed. If you get a baby less than 6 months old inside car you must put them inside where baby restraint. If you get a baby less than 6 months inside car you must put them inside where baby seat, cause that's one in law. You have to attach the baby seat to an anchorage point, put all them tight with plastic. If friend with you and his or hers baby you ride with you somewhere, you must put a baby restraint capsule proper inside the car with you.